Alright guys, M-Tech Guy here. Yeah, I love it, I love it. When I went out and bought this car, I'd had it for like 2 minutes, and then this guy's got to start in the comments section. Oh, that aerial looks no good, this super long aerial you've got, you need to get rid of it. You need to get a stubby aerial fitted. Oh yeah! Alright guys, we'll just completely ignore all the maintenance, shall we? Might look like a loser driving around town with that super long fishing rod aerial. But you're going to look even more of a loser, broken down on the side of the road. Now when I bought this car, I had no idea the service history, so it's important to me to go through, check it over, get all the fluids and filters changed, do some proper maintenance, bit of preventative maintenance, and that comes before all the pretty stuff. Now I've been out and bought a genuine BMW Stubby Aerial, none of that Chinese nonsense. Now BMW refer to this as a sports aerial rod. You gotta love the BMW marketing department, eh? So there we go. It's sorted, it's done now. What more do you want from me? Alright, are you happy now? Right, now get off my back.